Hey everyone, we are back with another Etsy SEO tutorial. The last time, if you're watching this series, you'll know that we were looking up long tail keywords using Marmalead. So that's the page that I'm still at right now, marmalead.com. They are a service, a website that you can use to research keywords for Etsy and help make sure that your SEO is on point so that you can get found by Etsy search engines. And today it's all about title and tags. Let's head over to my shop and we'll click on this plus sign here. And we're gonna do a new listing and I'm gonna help you figure out how to do your title and tags. So we are just heading to the starting area. So we're gonna do jewelry and necklaces and crystal necklaces. So you want to get as specific as you can and make sure that up to this point you're choosing the sections that accurately describe your product. And we're going to start with title. So you want your title and your tags to match. So we're going to start with Moldavite necklace. Now, you may have noticed that some sellers use things like this or like this. Those are called delimiters and they don't matter. You can put them in, you don't have to put them in, it doesn't matter. Some people like them because it sort of adds spacing and looks nicer. You can if you want to. I do on some of mine, some of them I don't. Like I said, it's your personal preference. So we're going to put Moldavite necklace and then we're going to add some of our other tags in. So let's head back to Marmalead. Okay, here we go. So let's just scroll through the search engine results page for Moldavite necklace. And we're going to go down to the bottom. So the first thing you'll want to see are the sample listings. This is going to show you what other Etsy sellers are doing. So we've got things like raw Moldavite jewelry, sterling silver Moldavite necklace, real Moldavite necklace. Let's do 25 listings here so you can see more. Green Tikati, I don't know what that says, pendant, raw Moldavite jewelry. So these are lots of listings here that have plenty of tags added into their title. And you can see here, then we've got popular tags. Moldavite necklace, Moldavite pendant, Moldavite jewelry, all of these here. And then again, similar shopper searches. So when I'm choosing the tags that I'm going to use, I'm not super concerned if they are long tail. You'll see the green checks and the red X's. I do want to make sure that there's lots of searches for them, lots of engagement. And then again, the competition, that's another one that you want to be in the green, so low competition. So I'm going to use, like you can see here, this one, it says necklace. Well, if I'm already using Moldavite necklace, I don't need to use necklace as a separate tag. And then things like crystal necklace, that competition is way too high. These terms are just way too broad. So we'll see here. Now, you could see here, there's Moldavite ring. That one has, pretty good results, but I'm not selling a Moldavite ring. I'm selling a necklace. So I am not going to use Moldavite ring in my tags. What you can do here is that, again, it'll show sort of this like word map here with different options. So these are good ones to do. So we'll do, Moldavite jewelry, genuine Moldavite, authentic Moldavite, the Tektite, I don't know, I have to look up what that is, but we'll just assume in this case that it's working. So let's head back to Etsy. So we're going to do Moldavite necklace, authentic Moldavite. And I am going to use the delimiters because I like the way they look in this case. Something you can also do is that you're allowed to do a certain amount of uppercase caps lock. So I could do doesn't really necessarily help with SEO, but it can help it stand out. So in a sea of search engine results, people might be more likely to notice the uppercase letters. Let's do jewelry. I'm also going to use Meteor. I'll have to check the spelling on that, jewelry, because I read that Moldavite is from meteors. So make sure you do your research, and you want to use up all of the space pretty much that you have for the title. So fit as much as you can in there. It just gives you more opportunity to be found. Do like meteor. I don't know why it's so hard for me to spell this. Meteorite necklace. How much space we got left? Okay, good. So we pretty much filled it up there here. So we're going to hit done. Actually, first I'm going to copy this so I can remember what I put without having to go back and forth. And we are going to hit done. Great, so we've got our title there, and now we're going to add our tags. So we want to add our tags in the same order that we added our keywords in the title. So we're going to start with Moldavite. Then tick. Moldavite. Now, one thing you may be wondering is, should you spell things incorrectly because like commonly misspelled words, hoping to show up in search engine results if, let's say, a customer goes in and they spell it, Moldavite, Moldovite. Don't do that. Search engines like the one that Etsy uses automatically has a spell check in there. So if you let's say you spelled necklace wrong just because you typed it or autocorrected something weird, Etsy is going to be able to automatically, it sort of knows what you mean. So if you mix up two of the letters or something like that, it's going to know what you mean, and it'll automatically fix it. So don't bother again, trying to trick the search engine by using an incorrect spelling. Now, if you see here, green Moldavite jewelry. Well, I can't fit that in because there's only 20 spaces. Green Moldavite jewel. So we're going to do green Moldavite, and then we're going to add jewelry in the next one. After you get this far, about 5 or 6 of the keywords in, you can start choosing some other tags to get found, so it doesn't have to keep matching exactly at this point. So you could do like gift for mom, or you could do teacher gift, whatever matches with what your product is. So, obviously you wouldn't want to do Father's Day if it's, a women's necklace, just because obviously people aren't going to be searching that. It doesn't match. If it's not something that's able to be personalized or custom, then don't put those in your tags either. So let's see, we've got room for 5 more tags. And this is a good one. Like I said, gift for mom, teacher gift. You can do Mother's Day. So you want to try to do things that are a little bit more seasonal. If there's a holiday or an event, then you can sort of capitalize on that and use those as tags. So we could do Mother's Day, Easter. If it was an Easter gift, that's all around the same time in spring. If you go on Marmalead, they have ideas for you for that, and on their blog and their podcast, they have tag ideas or to let you know about upcoming holidays and events that you might want to use for tags or to help you promote like around a certain holiday, like Mother's Day. Other ones we could put in here, so let's say our item has a silver chain. We could do silver chain or crystal green crystal necklace. Green crystal. Basically, you want to make sure you're using all 13 tags. Don't leave any of them blank. Each tag is an opportunity to get found. So we're going to hit done. And there you have it. So we have our title and tags match, and we've got some extra tags in there, lots of keywords to get found, and this is an easy way to do it using Marmalead and your Etsy. So let me know if you have any questions in the comments. Make sure you subscribe while you're here. I've got lots of great videos on how to sell on Etsy and a whole section on Etsy SEO. So check out my other videos, and we'll see you next time. Bye guys.